With Lumi-Plugin, we found a partner that really understands what we're about, and I think part of our specification is to look at the latest technology, to look at what's new, what's innovative. I think we're drawn to Lumi-Plugin for a number of reasons really. I think ultimately we want a product that's suitable for our homes, but we also want there to be a story with our specification. So with Lumi-Plugin, what we found from the very outset of our first project with them is that we've got something to talk to our customers about. So from an aesthetic point of view, it adds to the modern aesthetic we're looking for, but as a company, they're very much driven by what we're driven by, which is to have excellence and be different. I think with the Lumi product, some of the examples of things that make it different and give us the stories that we can tell our customers is the fact that it's something that isn't out there in the market, and the fact that we can declutter the ceiling. I think historically, particularly the kitchen, where you're looking to have a spotlight or a smoke alarm or a heat alarm, with the ability to integrate those into the Lumi plugin with the halo design is something that gets rid of what we would call ceiling acne. So when you walk in a room, it's very clean, it's very concise and looks very modern, and that's ultimately one of the things that really drew us to the product.
One thing I love about Lumi-Plugin is how streamlined our ceilings are. So our heat alarm, smoke alarm are all built into the product, so our ceilings are a lot more streamlined and give a really sleek design. Because of the quality of the light, we actually have fewer lights on the ceiling. So the lights that we do have are more energy efficient, so we use less energy and save more money.
When we look at our products that we specify throughout a home, I think recycling is quite an important part, and it's quite a sustainability feature. So the fact that at the end of its lifespan, the Lumi-Plugin product can be recycled, it's quite an important thing. It's not something that we need to worry about today when someone's buying a new home, but I think we need to think about the lifespan of a house in all our specified materials.
The biggest problem on sites nowadays is time. Everything is so time sensitive. Your second fixed stage, you've got that one supplier, so your smokes, heats, everything's coming from that same place. I'm not relying on different manufacturers to get different bits, and I'm not trying to then piece it all together at the end. So from Lumi, from a contractor kind of point aside, it's great because I'm cutting one hole, same size throughout the house. Everything's wired the same, so it doesn't matter if it's smoke, heat, PIR, you've got that one hole. Downlighters are our biggest bugbear. So having a decent sized hole where you can get your hand up for a start, find the cables, pull them through. Like most fittings now, they're pre-plugged, so it's just like, yeah, put your cables into it. The less holes you have to drill, less cables you have to find, the quicker you're going to get that installation done.
When we first started talking to Lumi-Plugin a number of years ago, there was a range of products, and there were products that were in the evolution process, and I think we've already seen a number of new products through Lumi-Plugin come to the market, and I think the fact that they're integrated into the units is quite key. We've talked to them on a number of occasions about the various different building regulations that are coming in the future and how their product can evolve to meet the needs of the new house builder and also the homeowner. And I think that's quite important, to work with a company that's constantly innovating, constantly bringing new products to the market, and trying to address the challenges of the house builder for the benefit of the customer.
So obviously, being a new mum, safety is one of my main priorities, and fortunately it's also Lumi-Plugin's main priority. So I have peace of mind and can rest easy at night knowing that if the worst were to happen, we would be alerted straight away. All the safety elements are hidden within the light. They're there, they're just hidden away. I've got 5-year guarantee on all the products that we've got from Lumi-Plugin, but once that 5 years is up, I've got peace of mind knowing that if I need to order a new one, I can just go onto the Lumi-Plugin website, order what I need, get next day delivery and replace them myself.
As a lighting product, even when it's not spec'd, I'll be much happier to use the product or put the product forward to another contractor. Say, look, this is option A, there is an option B. These look nicer, be faster for us to put in. We're confident in the product, we're happy to use them. Would you be happy to use them? And if the cost doesn't really change, then why not? Why not have something that looks nicer and does a better job?